Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What do we got? We've got an MR Triton in today. Gonna get one of our electric roller shutters, gonna get a few other bits and pieces as well. We'll go through the assembly, we'll go through the fitment process, and we'll get right into it.
I am an asteroid, I'm soaring through the sky. He yells but I ignore, I always start the fight. I say he dims my light, I've been on fire lately. We're about to collide, but he still calls me baby. I haven't played nice yet he still wants me. I give
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process on this MR Triton electric roller shutter. Should be been very, very straightforward. One thing to mention, if you do have the OEM sports bar, you can refit the sports bar quite easily as well. In this case, obviously we didn't have the sports bar, but we'll go through the operation of it obviously very quickly. You've got a pair of keys, hit the unlock button, it rolls forward. When you do that, there's an integrated LED light that comes on automatically. And then if you wanted to roll it back, you just press the lock button on the pair of keys you get, pair of fobs I should say, right? Too many fobs on your keys. Take from that what you will. Also, Tailgate Central Locking, very, very convenient, wired with the car key, this is the OEM key. Locked, unlocked, you can operate the tailgate and the roller shutter independently as well. Oh, and also we've done a Tubliner. My cameraman is coming in clutch. And we've got the Tubliner fitted in there as well, so very lovely. You guys seen the video, why are you guys asking me what was on the U? Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one.